Right guys, I'm back. Currently at the location. I've been misled by Google. It looked like an abandoned farmhouse on the maps. I have found it on an app. I'm currently back of a huge house. This is private land. I'm guessing there's horses on here. So I need to watch I don't get spotted. I need to make my way up back of that tree line there. It looked like a farmhouse, abandoned. So I'm going to find a decent location. Yeah, there is horses there, look. This is someone's land. I need to find a way through. I don't want to get spotted. I've got a huge red backpack on, which don't really help. But yeah, when I find a way through, I'll bring it back. Catch you in a bit. I've had to come out of that property. Can't get through. But there's a road here. I'm going to follow the road up a little bit. I've been here before, a couple of months back, and there's another path, which is actually public path, like in a bridle. So we're going to head to that. Hopefully I can get the back of there. It's all barbed wired off and no access through that way. Put the drone up as well in a sec, so I can see if it is occupied and if they've repaired it and that. I'll put all the pictures in, the maps and all that. Ping them in the video. Yeah, I can't disclose this location, like I say, due to vandalism, arson, you know, stuff like that. So if you inbox me or message me in the comments, I will let you know the location if I know you're a true explorer, like. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a minute when I get to the trail. Right guys, I found that public path. We're now on it. Gonna make our way through. Like a little farm here. Nobody's public. That's where them horses were, look. So it was the other side of there. Yeah, beautiful little place. Hopefully we can get to where we want to be. Gonna go tap by sheep here. Look at these. Right. Little swing there for the kids. Yeah, it's definitely, yeah. Public land in it. Different boundaries. Yeah, if I can follow this trail. Follow this trail, I should be able to find a decent place to put the drone up, and we'll go and look at that farmhouse. 2 or 3 barns, a house, and then about 100 metres down the way, it looks just like a scrapyard kind of thing, dumping ground, so hopefully I can get in there. But yeah, I'll follow this path, and this should bring us to where we've got to be. Knackered already guys, I've been to work all day. It's currently Friday. Been to work all day. I won't be editing this one tonight. Beautiful place. Beautiful. I've got to watch it because I'm being watched right now. There's a house behind me. And they're watching me out the window. Beautiful sunset there. Yeah, I'm going to put the drone up in a second and we will see the place that hopefully I can get into. That sky. Breathtaking, eh? We're almost there. I just need to get through into that next field. Why do I always bump into these things? Another water treatment place. We'll get that with the drone in a bit. But yeah, I need to get into that next field. It's literally where I want to be. That way. I think there's a gap here. So shoot through here. Skip this field and then fucking fly. Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm going to pitch down in a minute. Blast the drone up. Yeah. Just the back of them trees there, I think. Through there we've got to go. To the farmhouse, but yeah. There's people in them windows watching me in that house. Or was it that one? That one. But yeah. Fuck 'em. Free country, eh? Yeah. I'm sure if this is private, this bit, but I ain't really bothered, mate. End of the day, I'm just walking about, ain't I? Man, it's like a marsh, this is. Feet are soaking. It's been red hot all day as well. Slap the camera on in a sec. Oh, the action camera's on. Let me know if the audio's good. Well, I'll figure that out when I'm editing one on. Because we're not live, are we, dumbass? Yeah. Right, well, I'll give you the 360 of where we actually are after. When it's not disclosing too much info. But yeah, I've got to get through this little field here. And we are at the back of the location. Be careful in case there's any dogs in there. Might be dogs. So gotta be careful about that. I'm going to put the drone up and scope the area out first. Again, a little disclaimer. Old tractor there. Yo, it is an old farm, you know. We're here. Little disclaimer. Not here to commit any crime. Or nothing. Just here to explore. Trying to make sure there's no people or dogs, man. It's the last thing I want. Definitely private land. There's a house behind there. A tractor. I'm going to put the drone up, see if I can see anything. So let's go in. Let's go for it. Just exploring our way. Yeah, disclaimer, I ain't here to commit any crime. Nothing like that. Just walking about, man. I'm going to share with you like what I see with my own eyes. You know what I mean? Yeah, little old house behind there. I'm going to go and sit down and the drone is going up. Then we're going to go in. Trying to make sure there's no people and no dogs. Enjoy the drone footage. Yeah, fire this bad boy up. See what this place looks like from the sky. Like I say, I'm on here to fucking just a video it, man. I need to pinch nothing, scope it out for theft, nothing like that. Just here, see what's about. Right, be a bit awkward to take off, but I'm gonna have to roll this camera so I can give you a bit of audio and edit it in. Let's make a landing pad. Don't lose nothing. Would help if you put a fucking battery in it, wouldn't it? It ain't gonna fly without a battery. Dickhead. Three bars. I should be alright. Mini 2, camera view. Unable to take off. Just gotta give it a minute. Just make sure nobody's coming over there. That's where we started, over there. Yeah, last thing I want to do is get caught. We're currently chilling down here. I'll be staying longer. I'm getting peppered by mosquitoes, man. Yeah, I'm going to take it up quite high for now. Well, just want to see if it's occupied, you know what I mean? Look proper abandoned, mate, from the thing. Oh. Yeah, it's abandoned, eh? There was a nice posh gate on the front. That's gotta be abandoned, man. Just gonna have a look. I ain't interested in the house. If I can get through that shed, through there, through them bushes, and into there, I wanna go in there. Let's go and have a look at it, guys. Of course, no cars or anything. There's a big posh gate. Oh, it looks overgrown as well, don't we? It's overgrown. Can't see any dogs. There weren't no dogs because everywhere's open.
Max altitude reached.
It's all overgrown, eh? Look, the front door, everything. There's the front door. We're going in. We're going in. I'm going to bring the drone back. And we're going to have a little gander in them barns there. Another tractor. Oh, to be fair, fresh tyre tracks there, look on the grass leading to where I am. We're down here somewhere. There's fresh tyre tracks here. We're sitting down under that canopy, just there. Right guys, I'm going to bring the drone back and we're going in. That's the worst that can happen. Right, so we're under them trees there. Can hear voices. Can hear people. I can hear people over the back of there. I don't know if you can with the camera. It's definitely derelict, man. We're going in. Let's bring her back. Sport mode. Let's go. Spider on me, man. Right, so the house is there. We must be there. See you in a minute, guys. Right, I'm back. Gonna have a little stroll through. Worst comes to worst, if I get captured, if I get spotted in that, I'm looking for my dog, Bruno, my little French bull terrier, French bulldog, whatever they're fucking called. Make sure I forgot nothing. Yeah, if anything, I've lost my dog. It's going to take me time. Keep my eyes peeled. The house, the barn, everything. All looks overgrown, abandoned. You know what I mean? The only trouble is, as soon as I get to that barn thing there, I'm visible from the windows of the house, but slow walk through. I'll tractor there. So there's a lot of public accessible fucking paths here, you know what I mean? Lost me dog, lad. looks abandoned. 100%. Another tractor there. I'm just going to have a slow walk through. See what we can find. Old aerator. That was a bit freaky. 100 crows. Diesel tank there. Old aerator, look. For a tractor. Another tractor there. I reckon I'm going to go that way. So we're visible by the house. Let's go this way. You never guess what again, guys. I ain't got my fucking boots on. I don't really want to go through all that. Go this way. Bruno. Bruno. Lost me dog, man. Oh, these I got some big dogs. Let them out on me. This is a mad place. The roof still all intact. Tripwire thing there. Gotta be careful. Does look all derelict. Oh, it's a brand new window. Window looks literally brand new. And there's tractor marks here. I'll sneak through the bushes here. Yeah, I've got to watch it. I'm 100% visible there. By the house. Oh, if I get spotted through the windows, I'm fucked. Another tractor. A barn full of stuff. There's a barn there full of stuff. Let's go. Oh, no way. Someone's broke all the windows and that. And broke in. You know what, guys? We might be going in there. No cameras. Someone smashed all the windows, man. Little bastards. The curtains, the blinds, man, that looks scary. Should we go in? Look at this, all barn full of stuff. Spooky in there. Spooky as fuck, man. I ain't going in there today. What's in here? Wonder what that was for. It looks military. Definitely a military crate. Look at these guys. Yo, this is mad. I'm a little paranoid, I ain't gonna lie. Look at this. It's full of stuff. Tractor parts. Everything. Tyres. The roof's collapsed. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I am paranoid like crazy, but this is probably, yeah, it is my first abandoned location, and it's a good one. I ain't going in the building today. Maybe on the next one I will. Now I know it's legit and that. But yeah, look at that. Them windows, man, look scary. This place is wicked, man. Little old figurines in the window there. I don't know if you can see. The history of the place, private property keep out. This farm is not derelict or untouched. Yeah, I'm getting a bit fucking freaked out now, guys. There's an old load of fucking shit in there. Can't get through there. I want to go into that barn there. It's all overgrown. I'm climbing through that. Yeah, private property keep out. This farm is not derelict or untouched. Trespassers will be prosecuted. I've seen tyre tracks from where I was sitting with the drone. I've seen tyre tracks like heading that way to where I was. I'm guessing it's here. Yeah, look like tyre tracks. Hopefully I can get in the building in the other barn this way. But yeah, I'm panicking, guys, because this is my proper first one, like. But once I get into the swing of it, yo, look at this. Look at the brickwork. Guys, the brickwork on that. That is stunning. That's old. I'm a little bit freaked out, to be honest. Gotta watch it because there's people down there in the garden. Come to the front entrance. Fucking hell, nearly broke my leg. Look at this. Yeah, guys, I need a couple of people to start coming with me. My barn here, look for horses, look stable. Make sure there's no fucking people. This looks fresh. Look at the roof. Man, this is an old building. It's collapsing. I've got to fucking watch that. Be careful in here. Yeah, guys, all this hay was fresh and there's some feed. Maybe this is where they bring the horses. Man, this is an old building. Feeding troughs. That roof. It's going to collapse at it. You know, this is a mad one. Right. Shit. Yeah, I've got to keep my voice down and that. I don't want to get caught. It's the main road there. Yeah, look at this, man. The tyres. There's that other barn, look. There's no way I'm getting in there. Old silo. Pigeons, man, scared the shit out of me. Yo, there's a vehicle down there. A little van. If anybody comes, I can just dot it back that way. Just watch it by the main road. Look at this. What vehicle is that? Oh, Morris, hey? Somebody tell me in the comments, is that a Morris? Look at that. Still got the engine in. It's got to be a Morris, innit? Trailer there. Look at this place, guys. Please hit the follow button, subscribe. Some more feeding troughs in there. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I guarantee you. Look at all the shit in there. Looks like he was doing a bit of tatting, boys. Loads of buckets of scrap in there. Yeah, I'm going to some mad places. I've got some wicked places online to go. So yeah, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment. If anybody can tell me what motor this is, drop it in the comments. What's in here? No way. Oh shit. Scared the fuck out of me. And also fucking, what's that, like a shredder? Loads of stuff in here. Is that like a mill? Like mash up fucking wheat or something? I don't know. Or a grinder of some sort. Look at all the timber. It's like some sort of wheat grinder or something. That's old. Some mad stuff about. Yeah. Look at that vehicle there, man. It's got to be 60s, eh? 70s. Little disclaimer. I come on these explorers, these missions. I'm not intending to steal, damage or break into any properties. I'm just here to walk around, have a look what I can see. Yeah. Might be illegal to trespass, but I'm intrigued to see what's left in the country, you know, and Oh, there's a little car under there. Mate, there's a motor there. No way. What car is that? What car's that? It's a convertible or whatever it is. Yeah, it is, soft top. I do it every time. Don't bring my fucking boots. We're back at that other barn now, in that silo. That water tank is right there, just behind here. Look, I found another car. I thought it was a soft top, but aye. Can I see the badge? One sec. Can you see the badge on that steering wheel? Oh. I thought that's a Bentley sign then. Let's have a look. I think it's an Alfa Romeo, guys. I think. I don't know, but somebody please let me know in the comments what car this is. Fuck. Oh, pollen in my vape, man. Yeah, look at that. I can't believe that. This place is epic. Shit. Fucking heard something then. It's literally. Fucking flies and shit in my vape, man. It's literally a motor there. I think it's time to fuck off in a minute. I keep hearing fucking things over the back. Banging and that. Yeah, look at this vehicle, man. Another little feeding shed. There's nothing really in there. Horse feeding or whatever. Yeah, guys, someone please tell me what motor that is. I'm thinking of Morris, something. Town Morris Minor. Definitely our Maestro. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Time to get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna go this way. The fuck is that? I can hear something like fucking scratching and that. Can you hear it? Fuck knows. I'm fucking dotting out of here, mate. Little old workshop. Full of stuff. Definitely going to come back on this one. Definitely coming back. I need somebody to come with me, man. And then we can start doing better explores. We're at the fucking property now, guys. That's boarded up there. This is all flooded. Some fuckers broke in here. No, I don't want to get the blame for that. Look, little bastards. Someone's broke in. Yeah, there's access in there, look. Through that door, him into the kitchen next to the fridge. I ain't going in today. I ain't got the bollocks, mate. Yeah, through that other metal sheet, and that's the kitchen. Brand new window there, look. The whole place is derelict. But that's a brand new window. Yeah, I can literally get in there if I wanted, but I'm going to call it a day on this one. Toilet there and it stinks. Whoa. Yeah, I need somebody to come with me, guys, on these little missions. Mad little place, man. How scary that looks. Tell me that door looks spooky. Yeah, guys, please drop the subscribe, like button, comments. I swear, man, I'm going to some wicked places. I'm gonna have to call it a wrap on this one. I've got about at least a mile and a half to walk back to the motor, but I will be coming back at some point to do this one. Now I know it's like all legit and that. Yeah. Yeah, this is an abandoned little farmhouse and farm. Like I said earlier, I'm not going to disclose the location, but I know a few lads, a couple other people that are exploring that. I'll obviously drop the info to them. I need to head that way to the motor by that terrace. I was wondering if I can get down to the main road. Yeah, I'm gonna lie to you guys, I got the bollocks to go in that house. No, at the moment, still getting used to this fucking exploration shit, you know what I mean? And I don't want to fucking get trapped in there or something. Look at all the roofs and everything. Yeah, it's been a wicked one. I will go in there. I need someone to join my team, and soon I'm going to need admin for my page, my YouTube, Facebook, kicking off my Instagram again. Like I say, sick to death at working a 9 till 5. I'm trying to get up, explore the country, video it for you lot. Yeah, I'm getting out of here, man, because I'm getting a creepy little feeling. And you know something I write like. Excuse me. Yeah, we'll go in there. Thousands of pigeons. The roof of that barn there, look. It's proper caved in. I can't get in there because it's all full of bramble. The whole building, you can see it from the other side, the whole building is literally head to toe bramble. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff left here. Battery on there. wonder the history of this place. I'm trying to do a bit of research. David Brown, 990. Sure, we had one of them at one of my workplaces. The diesel bows are on. It was. It's a shame, really. But this has done some work over the years, though. Yeah, guys, I'm going to call this one. Fucking hell, man. Little bastards. I'm going to call this one a wrap. Get out of here. It's obviously little kids that are bossed into there, eh? But now there's access. Now I've got footage showing there's access. Next time I come, I can prove that it was already open, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, like I say, next time if I'm in there and I get captured, trailer thing there. There's another trailer in there. There's loads of shit in here. Yo. Fucking everything in there, trailers. There's another motor. I can see another motor. Is that a... It is. Oh, and there's a nice woodland there. Let's go around there. I see another car in the back of these trees here. Have a look. Yeah, next time if I go in the building and I do get captured, I keep hearing things. Is it a car? Yeah. Is it? Oh, there's like a little brick house in there. I'm sure there's a car. A little brick house. I thought it was a car, it's just a pane of glass and a fence. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I'm gonna get fucking busted. Anyway, back on subject. Next time I come, if I get captured in there, I can say, look, I ain't broke in, 'cause trespassing is minor. Breaking an entry and that. They could do it for fucking burglary and that, do you know what I mean? But I can just say then, I can jump on my YouTube, show them this video, and say it was already open. Got proof of that. Yeah, look at that, for the barn. I'm guessing it had sides on, it's rotted away. Mad little place. FMEP, boys, I'm going to link you this place. Get on it. And if you let me know when you're giving, I'll come along with you. I don't want to be on my own on this one in that building. No way. Look at this. Leyland. This is old, boys. That's like an aerator thing as well. Yes, man. This little fucking Leyland, boys. Come on, man, we've got some fucking combine harvester fucking shit to do. 6,850 hours. Safety first, low gear, high gear. Good oil change, mate, and a fucking jump pack. This will probably start. Yeah, that's fucking mad. Oh, it's full of glass now. Brand new starter motor on it by the looks of it. Sims engine. Probably a 6-cylinder. I think they're called aerators. Somewhere. Scratches all the grass like, all the ground. Let it breathe. I bet he never done his check sheet on this one, did he? It looks like someone's been here, look. Banged some oil in it and that. Extreme pressure gear oil. Someone's probably tried to get it running. Old British Leyland. There's so many of them about. Counterweights there. Cast counterweights. Fresh tyres. I bet the poor old man is dead now, and who drove this. License plate UAW 811J. Yeah man, this has been a mad one, guys. Abandoned farmhouse, stables, feeding sheds. Yeah, I ain't really up for going in that property. You know, coming round the place, that was a bit sketchy enough. It's paranoid, man. I seen that new window, the little brand new window what's been fitted. I thought maybe someone still lives in there. You know, and it was the granddad's farm, like. The last thing I wanted was to get captured, get my face out there, so people know who to look out for and shit. You never know, do you? But yeah, man, that was the abandoned farmhouse. Hopefully the audio was good and that. We'll soon find out. I might throw this video together when I get back. It's only... what time is it now? 8:10. Get back for 9. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this one, guys. Like I say, if anybody wants to team up, and we're going to some wicked places, I'd rather be like with somebody for my own safety. Oh fuck, my feet fucking soaking. Forgot about that. It's all fucking marsh, man. Bollocks. But yeah. Fuck's sake. 1, for my own safety. 2, see if I was with somebody else, I would have gone through that puddle before me. But yeah, for my own safety, and you know, it's more of a laugh, better footage. Have a laugh and a fuck about. Yeah, I'm going to call this one a wrap, guys. And I will catch you on the next one. Respect.